Welcome, come on in. Delmy Cherry here. How you guys doing? It's a beautiful Saturday. Coming in to play once again with my makeup products and get me in a feel-good moment. So if that's something you enjoy yourself watching, welcome. For those who are new, I appreciate you already. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here. We review makeup products, we play with makeup, we go find makeup products so we could have fun times like this here one-on-one. And for those who are coming back, kisses to you all. Welcome. I'm not gonna have a long intro. I get super excited and start talking too much. I have been going through a dilemma. I told you that, guys, I hate ordering online. So I'm still yet waiting for my Glamlite Michaela Part 2 Glamlite palette, and they were either out of stock already and they're backed up on their shipment since July the 5th. I don't know if any one of you guys or at a worse case in mind with this ordering, with this shipment. So since July the 5th, I've been waiting for this Glamlite palette. So I decided to come along and play with another Glamlite palette. Like, I want to have the feel of Glamlite products. So I did grab these Glamlite Cherry and, well, the Icee collection, both the cherry and blueberries from TJ Maxx and Marshall. I am yet to use them, so why not coming in and pop them on the lid and have fun with the colors. I'm using both palettes on the lid, so while Glamlite decides to send me the Michaela Part 2 palette, I'm gonna go ahead and use up my other Glamlite palettes because that's the way I feel right now. Going in, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into the blue. What I'm doing, I use the blue as both my eyeliner and the depth on the outer part of the crease. So going in with that blue, I already established where it's gonna be as an eyeliner all over the tip of the lid. I'm gonna stop it right here and really go and buff in. Let me pull you guys closer so y'all get to see the shades. I'm sure this palette's been around, it's been out there, but for those who have not or doubted grabbing this palette from TJ Maxx and Marshall, if y'all see it, this is the video to convince y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and create an eyeliner, like a wing with this color. So when we're looking ahead, everything is straight, but it's kind of crooked, just as I would normally do my wing for my hooded eye. I think I kind of went up a little too much. I'm gonna go into, so the blue that I use from the blueberry palette is melted. This blue right here. I'm gonna go into blue raspberry, which is this one. Okay, same brush, I'm going into Polar Bear, which is this blue, and then the frozenated on the inner part. Now this was a mistake on my part, but I'm still gonna add it in because we have to have the eyes identical. I went into Glacial, this one right here. It was too light. I was trying to blend out all the shades with that shade, but it was too light and it ended up being like this. And I kind of fill in the other colors into it to kind of darken it up a little bit. That's why it's barely showing here like that. It's a nice shade for the lid or the inner part to brighten things, but it wasn't the best shade to use from that deep dark blue to it. So we did that. We're gonna blend everything though. And let's do the build up. Going back to the deepest shade, Melted. So we have that left on the lid. The blues are on the outer part for some depth. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same brush, going back to the primer to somewhat refresh or freshen up that primer on the inner part for the red shades. Not a cut crease, but somewhat a cut crease. Y'all need to be careful not to apply it over that blue that we had as the lining. So you want to brush that's very precise. We are going into the red shades now. I'm gonna go ahead and apply Frosted Cherry, which is this deep red, and then Colorful Tongue in the middle of the lid, that one, and then on the inner part, White Cherry. Okay, in that order. I did not miss my brush. Since this is kind of damp, we're gonna stamp the shades right on it, making sure we stay away from that blue line we created. Okay. With the other side of the brush, I'm gonna go into Colorful Tongue, which is a little chunky. So these two are two different formulas. Frosted Cherry, these are similar, like grounded shimmery shade, and this one is like a foily flaky shade formula. So we have that, and we're gonna go using the same brush, wiping off those red, and go into White Cherry, and we put her right in here in the middle on the inner part and spread it out into the red. So it's white but not white. And then boom. With the other side of this brush, I go into the blue to kind of focus that inner part with the lining of the blue. And this was done so beautifully without any mess, because this brush is literally that flat. Yep. I wanted to have like the marination or the marriage of the red and the blue on the outer part. So I went in using this, the deepest red, right? And also Icee, which is this blue, over that deep red, and then mix the two together, somewhat giving us like a purpley situation. Not too much though. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face off camera. I'll be right back with the end result. And I hope this was, you know, a picker-upper, feel-good moment with these Icee Glamlite palettes. Typical Glamlite formulas, nothing major. There are some red shades here that have not been touched. I'm gonna go and show you guys a swatch of those other colors on the side of the screen, instead of doing a whole bunch of a whole different video of a swatch for these. Y'all get to see the swatches, and then we'll discuss this palette at the end. And voila. I kind of tap up that Wild Cherry Red over a matte red lipstick that I have here. I'm not sure which red it is because it's so old. The print on the back is somewhat erased. It is a matte lipstick, but I just put that little shade on top to coordinate everything. We're playing. This is not a look to step out and be like going to work type of situation, but this is a look to express yourself and enjoy what you got. Enjoy your makeup, enjoy your face features, accentuate or, you know, take away, or, you know, make this whole situation happen. This was fun, I could say. Palette was fun. The red though, Wild Cherry, is very wild. It is on the powdery side. It looks nice on top of the lipstick on the lips. It's red, like a true red. The blues I like. The shimmery pinks, the shimmery reds are nice as well. This is a fun palette. This is like a bright, colorful, something, not your everyday type of palette, but if you want to have fun, play with colors, create a wild, like you're going for a wild adventure or a parade or whatever it is, this would be a nice palette to create a look as such. And then other than that, that's basically it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, you know, quick fix me up her type of look. I will see you guys. Don't forget, by now, if you have not subscribed, please do so. I cannot stress that enough. It'll help me out so much. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers. You guys are there, but not quite yet. Please share these videos. Talk to your friends and mothers and sisters about this crazy girls here that sits in front of this screen, creating these wild videos here for you guys. So that'll boost me up. So this is it, my loves. Hopefully you guys enjoyed once again, and I'll see you guys on the next one, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.